In a beautiful valley, where colorful flowers bloomed and the air was filled with sweet scents, there stood a mysterious tree. The tree was known as the magic tree. Unlike other trees, its bark was shiny, and its branches always swayed as though the tree itself was alive. The local people were afraid of this tree, and never dared to touch it. But one day, a little girl named Lisa came to the valley. Lisa was never afraid of anything. She had a brave and pure heart. She had heard that under this tree lived strange magical creatures, and she wanted to discover new secrets with their help. When Lisa reached the tree, she heard a soft giggle from behind her. Turning around, she saw 3 tiny fairies standing in front of her. Their wings had sparkling, colorful spots, and their eyes held countless stories. "Who are you?" Lisa asked. One of the fairies replied, "We are the fairies who protect this tree. We have kept it shiny and magical for many centuries. But we will tell you that this tree reveals its truth only to those with pure hearts." Lisa listened carefully and said, "I want to know the secrets of this tree. Can you help me?" The fairy smiled and said, "We will give you a test. If you succeed, the secret of the tree will be revealed to you." The first test was for Lisa to retrieve a special stone from under the tree, which had magical markings on it. The stone was hard to reach, because the tree's roots were strong and tangled. But Lisa did not give up, and finally retrieved the stone. The second test was for Lisa to find a small golden seed buried in the tree's roots. To do this, she had to venture into the dark paths inside the tree. Lisa used her wit and courage to navigate these paths successfully. The third and final test was for Lisa to face the truth of her own heart. The tree asked her a question. "What is most precious to you?" Lisa thought for a moment and then said, "My friends, my love, and my world." The fairies, pleased with her answer, said, "You have answered truthfully. You may now know the secret of the tree." The tree's bark began to glow, and suddenly a door appeared. Inside the door was a magical world. The world was colorful. The trees spoke, and fairies danced everywhere. Lisa discovered the secret of the tree, and returned to her village. The secrets of the tree, and the fairies, remained in her heart forever.